Okay, good morning all. Today we are planning to question answers about the SAP. So one candidate joined with me and he will ask some questions. Accordingly, I will provide the answers. So yeah, you can start your questions, Abhi.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for arranging this session. My question is I'm new to SAP, so can you explain what are the modules, what are different modules in SAP?
Sure,
Questions enough.
sure. So basically in SAP, there is a two type of models. As we can see, first will be functional models. Okay. So what is the functional modules? The modules which is influence directly to business. Okay. That is called the functional modules. So what are the functional modules? PP, QM. I will explain one by one. MM,
Okay.
SD, WM, EWM. Okay. PM. Okay. Then PS like FICO and so on. So mostly we are using 7 to 8 modules in our business process. So production planning is one module. So in PP, we are doing planning and execution for any manufacturing industries. Okay. Quality management.
Okay.
In quality management, all the quality activities means quality inspection of the material for incoming materials and outgoing materials, including in SAP QM. Okay. Materials management. Your all procurement and sourcing. Okay. So this kind of activities, purchasing and procurement, this activity involved in module. In SD, sales and distribution, your all sales activities to the from sales order to billing, that activity involved in SD. There are some other functionality module to modules as per your business process involved. Warehouse management, where the bin process, material staging, material movement involved in SAP warehouse management. EWM is advanced version of warehouse management. That is also we are using for the material staging. Okay. Plant maintenance, basically the plant activities, maintenance activities, preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance activities are going on in your machinery in manufacturing shop floor. So all this functionality is incorporated in plant maintenance. Okay. Next is a project system. Project system in any high scale project is going on. So all the activities involved in a PS model, project system. FICO, finance and controlling, means all the finance activities and costing activities involved in this model. So that's why we are calling the functional models. Okay. It's depend upon what kind of models we are using. That is the decision taken by the business. Okay. Client will take the decision according to their business process. In any manufacturing industries, mostly we need the PP, QM, SD. Okay. FICO. These 4 to 5 models is mandatory. If other kind of industries like that trading and warehouse activities going on, so they can take it MM and SD and FICO. So this is based upon the your business. Okay, I think I have given the answers. If you have any
Okay.
query, you can ask. And one more thing.
So,
These are the functional models. Next one is the technical models. So what are the technical models? Apart from the functional models, we have some technical models like ABAP. ABAP means it's a coding, it's a programming. The full stands for the Advanced Business Application Program. So it's like a programming. Okay. If you want to develop any custom screen, any Z screen, then you can use the ABAP. So through this ABAP, you have to learn the ABAP coding. And after that, if you want to create any reports or any smart forms, any design change, okay, in any kind of enhancement, so you can do in ABAP. Okay. Next one is a basis. Basis means your server maintenance, server upgrade. So basis people will responsible to provide the SAP landscape, okay, where the business user will do the business transaction and server upgrade, server maintenance. So these are the technical activities will be done by the basis people. Okay. Now next is a PI. PI means process integration. So this is basically we are using for the interface. Okay. Once we are establish system from another system, we want to interface, we want to integrate. So the PI will be the basically it's a middleware. Okay. So we will use the PI. So these are the technical models. Okay. Now, Abhi, you can ask any questions.
So like my background is basically non-coding background. Like I have no experience in coding, and also for this functional module, is there any pre-requirement like the person should have coding knowledge like that?
No.
Is there any requirement like that?
No, not required.
Okay, okay.
If you want to,
like
if you want to make career in functional models, then module wise, if you have a little bit 1 or 2 years experience in shop floor experience, business experience, like PP, if you have knowledge about little bit planning, you are knowledge about the production process, okay, you worked on shop floor machinery, then it will be very easy to understand the PP. Like QM, if you have knowledge in quality activities, you worked in quality department as a quality inspector or quality control or quality analyst, like that. So you can make a career in QM, like MMSD and other models. You can make it. You can choose and you can make career. Yes.
So next thing is like I have seen some another software also in
Okay.
manufacturing industry. Like why, like what is the scope of SAP? Why people are like preferring more SAP? I am not understanding why it is so. Can you explain like what are the challenges, those things?
Sure. See, right now, SAP basically is a company. Okay, so in global across the world, SAP is using SAP application, SAP software is using across the world for all kind of a manufacturing industry. Not only manufacturing industry, but also SAP is using widely in service industries. Okay. So one advantage in SAP, it is an integrated model. Other than all non-SAP application, they are not integrated. If you are using SAP in any company or any business, it will be integrated with the other modules also. So whatever the transactions you will perform in any module, it will impact in other modules also. Okay. So mostly whatever we are transaction we are doing in PP, QM, MM, SD, it will impact our finance also. Okay. So one advantage is SAP, it is an integrated model. Okay. So that's why SAP widely using in all across the world, across the global.
Okay.
All other models, other application is a non-integrated. It's a standalone applications. That's why.
Okay. Now I got it. Why? Okay, I understood. So next thing is like you told functional modules, we can pursue career in functional modules if we have. Since I have shop floor experience, I can like what will be the roles of this functional consultants, their day-to-day roles, those things and all. If I switch to a functional consultant like those things.
Yeah, good question. Because many people ask me. So first of all, there is a multiple roles in SAP. It is based upon your experience. Okay, if you have experience in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years experience as a core user or end user, you can start your career as a junior level. Because right now, I have seen from last 1 year, some consultancies or companies are taking the freshers also in all all function models. Okay, so they will call the junior consultant. So in junior consultant, they will provide the training also, and they will assign the projects after that. If you have a knowledge in 4 to 5 years, more than 5 years, then you can work as a SAP associate consultants, SAP senior consultants, SAP lead, like that. So more and more your experience will be increased. More and more you will get the position, And whenever the companies hire the candidates, the position, the hiring is depend upon the position of the this opening position, which position they are hiring. If they are hiring for the senior level, senior consultants or lead, so they will expect at least 7 to 8 years, 9 years experience, senior level, topmost senior. Okay, so it's depend upon the experience. They will provide the position. Okay.
So you told like they are taking freshers. Like, is there any requirement like degree or something?
Yeah,
Diploma degree is
at least their minimum qualification is the graduation they are expecting. Either you have a BE, BTech, or you have a BSc,
okay.
BCom, like that. So minimum graduation is required in to enter in SAP in IT industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Irrespective of like the trade, like they are asking just for degree.
Yes, first degree.
Like,
Yeah,
okay.
degree is
Okay.
mandatory. Yes.
Okay. So like there will be like what kind of projects these functional consultants will be doing? Like
Okay, good question.
me.
Okay, so whenever any company hire you, okay, so after that they will provide. There are 3 to 4 type of projects they have. First is a implementation projects. Implementation means it's a greenfield implementation. You have to go to client location and you have to implement SAP. The company, they are not using the SAP. They have some legacy systems. So they want to migrate in SAP. So you have to be implement full-fledged from start, from scratch, SAP to the client. So one is the implementation projects. Okay, it's a fresh projects. Secondly, second is a rollout projects. Rollout projects means suppose any company they have a 5 plant and 3 plants they are using the SAP. Okay, rest 2 plants they want to migrate. Okay, in SAP. So this will call a rollout projects. We are calling as a rollout projects. Rollout projects is also just kind of implementation projects. Okay, but more and more what we are doing, we are just more and more we are copying from the already implemented plant. We are copying the data, all the configuration points and the data we are copying and replicating in the rest 2 new plant. So it's depend upon product also. If they have they change the product, then accordingly we have to prepare the product data. Okay, we have to do the configuration accordingly. And third is the support projects. Support projects means the company or client, they are already using the SAP, whether they are using the ERP, ECC or S4HANA, and after that they need the support projects. Okay, support required. So we are doing the support for them. So what is the what will happen in the support? If any issue or any problem comes, business user will raise this issue. He will create the incidents and he will assign to the respective team. So support service will be handle this kind of issues. That's why we are calling the support activity, support projects. So 3 type of projects: implementation projects, rollout projects, and support projects. 3 kind of projects you will get once you hire from any company or any consultancy. 3 type of projects.
Okay. So my concern is I have 2-year experience in actually manufacturing industry. Specifically, my work is related to packing area. So I've seen this like end user experience only, but production planning and material management, sales and distribution. But I don't know. I'm not sure like which I need to choose out of these 3. Like how to come into a solution. Like which I need to choose. Any idea?
So one question from my side: daily basis, what you are doing in SAP? It's in SD, sales and distribution. So the functionality is if you are creating the sales order. Are you creating any sales order daily basis?
No. Like mine is related to invoicing and
okay.
Delivery order creation.
Okay, and stock transfer.
Stock transfer. Those
Yes,
things.
yes. Okay, but you are aware about the sales process. Then you can make you can go ahead with the sales SD. One more thing apart from the SD, sales and distribution means OTC, order to cash. That functionality, that the flow you will understand. And apart from that, you can go with the CS also, customer service. So SD and CS, you can make in career.
Okay.
I think SD is
Okay.
also very good modules. Any manufacturing industry without sales, they cannot produce. So finally, sales is important. Management
Okay.
company is more concerned about the sales. How much sales we have done in last month? How much sales in we have done in last financial period? So that is more important. So SD is a very good functional model to learn and go with that. And lot of opportunities also in SD. Yes, domestic and international level. Lot of opportunity. Along with the SD, you can learn TMS also, transportation management systems. That is a very good model.
Okay.
Okay. Though
Can
then
you explain what is TMS? I'm not familiar with the TMS.
TMS is stands for the transportation management systems. There is a two functionality. One is the carrier and shipper. So if you are transferring any material from one point to another point, means end customers. So all the activities involved in the transportation management system, TMS. I will give you the, I will explain later on in next video. What is the functionality of TMS and how you can make it career in TMS. Mostly TMS we are not using in India much more, but abroad, UK, USA, Europe, we are using TMS.
Okay.
It's very good. It's a very good logistics execution models. Yes.
And another doubt is like if a consultancy company got a project, how much duration it will be, like 3 months or 6 months? Like what is the usual frequency of duration?
Minimum, maybe a minimum 3 to 4 months. Whenever you get any projects, new project for implementation, so it is depend upon the business volume. How many plants they want to implement SAP, and okay, so it's a depend upon the business volumes. Maybe you can complete in 2 months. Yeah, if it is a
I'm
one
asking
plant,
this because of
yes. Go ahead.
I'm asking this because of to know about the job security, like whether the reoccurrence of projects is happening or not. I'm not exposed. I have no much exposure in IT industry, like the consultant industry. That's why I'm asking.
See, one thing, there is a one confusion in IT industries and manufacturing industry. IT industries, they don't have any projects. They have a client. So all the revenues they are getting from the client. If they have a project, they have a client, and you are doing the support, or you are doing the rollout, or you are doing the as a consultant. If you are doing any activities or implementation, then client will pay to the IT, and IT will pay you to the salary. Okay, but in manufacturing, some manufacturing industries, they have their own in-house IT team. Okay, there are certain manufacturing industries in big level. So some part they are taking service from the IT industries. Some part they are doing themselves. Okay, so IT industries, they don't have any. They revenue they don't have. Whatever they are charging to the client as per their billing, they will get it like that. So you can go in manufacturing industries also if they have any in-house IT team for all, like PP, MM, SD. Okay, they have a consultant, and if not, then you can move to the IT industries. Not only high level, middle level also. There are some companies in middle level which we don't know the name also. So they are also they have some low budget projects they have. So they are also hiring. They are also hiring for that. At a junior level.
Okay.
So first of all, you should be aware about the business process. Not only business process as a domain, you should be aware about the SAP activities. So suppose you are going with the SD. So what are the enterprise structure? What are the SD configurations required? Okay. What are the OTC, order to cash cycle? What are the pricing procedure? What are the tax procedure? What are the credit memo? So all those things, all the functionality of SD, you should be aware about that in SAP point of view. I'm telling. Because in interview,
Okay.
definitely they will ask. If they
Okay.
found that yes, you are eligible, you are aware about all those things, then they will hire you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So like if I take the training and all, like how much time it will take to gain the like whole knowledge?
If you don't know anything, minimum 2 months it's required. But if you aware
Okay.
about the this sales process or any other business process, then it will be very easy to understand. And you can refer some
Okay.
handbooks also. There are a lot of documents is there. You can refer those documents and you can do practice from your end also in the demo systems. You can take the demo systems and you can practice also. If anything, you can reach out to me. I will help you.
Okay. Okay, sir. I need some handbooks, those things, and hope you share those
Sure,
things to me.
sure. I will share.
Okay.
Okay. Any
Okay, sir.
questions you can ask? Feel free. Okay.
Uh, I have cleared whatever there in my mind. So
One more thing
thank you,
about
sir.
one more thing last about the integration. Next video we'll make on enterprise structure. I will explain how to build the enterprise
Okay.
structure, because
Okay.
this is the backbone of SAP.
Okay.
Without enterprise structure maintained, you cannot go in SAP any modules. That is a prerequisite.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay. Okay. Understood.
Okay, so now we can
Sir,
close.
one doubt.
Yeah.
One
Go
doubt.
ahead. Yes.
Like
Go
you
ahead.
told, this enterprise structure. Is this enterprise structure different for SD and like PP? Is it like that, or every like
No,
every module
yes.
enterprise structure is same or?
Yes. Every model will be involved. Yes. But in top,
Okay.
the FICO will come controlling.
Okay.
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 So I will explain next video. I will explain definitely. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the
Thanks so much.
session.
Yeah. So we can close now.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.